Hello everyone, this is Nitin here. How you guys are doing? I hope your painting is going great. You're learning watercolor, you're improving with that, and I'm hoping that my watercolor videos are helping you to learn this medium. So in this watercolor tutorial, I'm going to make a very exciting exotic location in the world map, and that is Venice. So this is a beautiful place, and I really wanted to make a lot of art of this place. So this is just a one exercise for you people to see the process. I want this entire exercise to be in a very minimal and very easy, which you can learn and adopt. So this is where your sketch plays a really important role. Alright, so before going to the next layer of this painting, let me talk about the SKILLSHARE class which I have right now. So I have 3 classes available, and the one watercolor class is coming up very soon. So in case if you have never heard about the SKILLSHARE, then let me explain you that SKILLSHARE is an online learning community for creator with more than 25,000 classes in design, business, and the whatever profession you would like to get yourself inspired from the creators. SKILLSHARE comes with a premium memberships which gives you an unlimited access, so you can join the classes of the community that are just right for you and your new year goals. So everybody's having the goals, right? So that's a pretty good thing. The first 500 of subscriber, whoever is going to use my link which I've given in the video description, they'll be getting a 2 month of free trial. So that's a wow thing. So please go ahead and click that subscription the button and check the SKILLSHARE. SKILLSHARE also super affordable, and annual subscription is less than $10 a month, which is absolutely remarkable, right? So alright, so let's go ahead and we'll do our first layer of this painting. So what I'm going to do is I'll be using all of these colors. So as I said, this color, let me introduce this color because I've not done before, and a lot of people are saying that why you have not done this. So this is ultramarine blue, this is sepia, green, orange, yellow ochre, burnt sienna, ivory black, and the red. So let's start working on the sky first. So here I'm using the ultramarine blue. I hope you are able to see. Now I'm just adding a little bit of sepia, just a little bit, and then I'm using this orange. Just giving a little bit of the feel of it, and gradually when we are going down, I'm using this and just a bit of it. Now just top of it we'll do a little more texturing. I'm using this ultramarine blue and sepia. No problem, even if the color comes within your the main focal area, those building. So I'm just adding color into that building also. Okay, I want to give a little more contrast on sky here. Real contrast. All right. And a little more. All right. Now gradually we need to move it a little down. And these will be again here a little reflection of the sky if you do certain thing. And so now we have our first layer completely done. You can see this color is so vibrant now, but once this get dry, this will get settled. All right, so our first layer is completely dried now. Now we can go ahead with the second layer. So what I'm going to do is I'll just take this ultramarine blue mixing with sepia, and we will work on the dome here. So here's the dome. Very plain color, nothing fancy. I hope you guys are able to see. I just try to leave some space here, like a little bit of paper here. Can you see that? Just try to leave that as much as possible, and wherever required. It's not like you just start leaving everywhere. So, and when it dries gradually, when you're going from this side to going further, so try to make your color little lighter, because that's the kind of a perspective we wanted to bring in. Okay, and then just adding a little bit of other color also to bring some variation. And just fill this entire building with this color. And somewhere depth and somewhere light, a little bit of the variation you need to bring in here. So mostly I'm just working with the sepia and mixing with ultramarine blue. So the moment we are going a little far, we have to make it a little lighter color. And these are the boats, so we can make it a little darker, all of this. And this is the reflection and the dome and the building.